Nice.
Hey, my name is Naila like the Lion King, and this is my channel, DBNaila, done by Naila. Okay, so what we did yesterday, I think I'm posting this the next day. I don't know. I could be 2 days by now. I don't know. But this is what we did. Wow. Euphoria. So what we're going to do is we're going to go straight into our last kind of big piece. It is the Phantom of the Opera. Thanks to you guys for actually getting back to me and giving some commentary. I always got to remind you guys, if there's anything you think I should do, suggestions, advice, tips, please comment below. Like, I love advice. I love talking to you guys. So today we're going to be using acrylic this time, like we did last time. This is my terrible palette that I used last time. And I would say flip it over, but it's already flipped over as well. As you guys saw from last time how that flipped over. Yeah, pretty embarrassing. So I'm gonna go ahead and just kind of take this off. Pow! That was a little bit scarier than I thought, I'm not gonna lie. I know you're asking, like, why are you doing this so aggressive? Because it helps me feel good, okay? Let it all get out. So that's why I'm doing them. I am going to use another shrink-a-dink paper. How many do I got left, y'all? Hey, I really been using these papers. I have 2 of these left. I mean, it wasn't that much for the shrink-a-dinks paper. I just wanted to recycle them. I could make shrink-a-dink art, but I mean, like, wouldn't you guys rather see me paint something? Easier, carefree, mess-free way than having to use my palette and have to clean it 24/7. I'm trying to keep it clear, but it's a bunch of debris and snot. I don't know. But I'm gonna go ahead, take second to my last shrink-a-dink. I'm gonna go ahead and cut a hole in it for my finger. Okay. I'm very chaotic when it comes to things, but it's fun. It's therapeutic. Look at this beautiful hole. Okay, does this match perfectly? Of course not, but we don't care. So that's what we got, y'all. My double-sided tape, which you guys can see, still on there, is working pretty good. Fresh palette. Honestly, I don't even know what picture I want to use. Let's see. I'm gonna look for something. Don't worry about me. Look at this gorgeous face. Oh! I like this one a little bit more, only because you can see that nice long neck. I like that. It's cool. I got the piece I want to use. I have a bunch of canvases. These are little small ones. Yes, I'm doing small ones because I don't have any more big ones. I have to buy more. But these are the ones my lovely mother got me. And she got me a bunch of these. So I'm going to start using some of them. Dang. Dang, Chipmunk was trying to get in. Look at this. And it ruined the whole canvas. Ain't that it? Alright, well I guess I gotta skip that one. But I'm gonna use these. These are 12 by 16. Oh, y'all know when I finish doing this acrylic stuff, I'm gonna figure out how to use oil. I mean, I already forgot how to draw.
What do you mean by that?
So, if y'all don't know, just to like peek into the future, I'm doing a lot of different stuff. So I'm using colored pencils and I'm using watercolor. Back in my OG days in college, those were fun pieces to do. Boom, nice, fresh. Let's get into this. So, I'm sorry. You're gonna have to disappear. Goodbye. Ow! Who scratched me? Okay, so I'm going to draw this out. This canvas looks a little weird. And just so y'all can see this thing. Okay, I got a pencil. So let's get into this. Alright, so I have this drawn out, my little loose sketch here. The colors I want to use is obviously I'm going to be using some black, y'all. I'm going to use brown this time. I have brown. Debating if I want to use red or not. I feel like red does make everything a little bit bloodier. But I'm going to use red. And I may use these two colors here, yellow and this orange. It's kind of pointless to use orange if I can just make the orange myself. But I'm cheating this time, y'all. I'm lazy. Like, I don't know why I even bought these bright colors because I don't use them a lot. So I'm trying to use the paint up. So I'm going to use the orange and the yellow. Gotta have some white. Gonna get some white with that. I think that's it. So red, brown, white, orange, yellow, and black. So I'm gonna go ahead and start squirting these things on my palette. Ah! Put that back where it's supposed to be, y'all, because you know I'm trying to be neat now. It's called cadmium yellow. By the way, if y'all notice, these are actually some paints from Plaza Arts. Ooh, y'all ain't tell me my yellow was coming out. It could have dripped on something. Oh, it actually made that noise. That's funny. Ooh. I don't like how this always... What the... Bro, ain't no way. How is there paint on the side of this? Will I ever get through a video where I don't have paint on my hands? Probably not.
You're probably right.
I feel like this should be a brown piece. Maybe I won't add black. What? Trying new things, you guys. Trying new things. Red.
That's how you make it bloody.
Hello? Okay. Okay. Why is the red always disrespectful? I spaced out for a second. Some of this white is iffy because every time like it just kind of pours out. I don't know why. I think I messed up the squeeze contraption of it, but it's always messy in there. Look at this. Like I just do this. Use these colors to make this piece right here. And I want to use this one too. Only because like because it's longer. This is like super short, so I can't even like do what I want to do. Y'all not gonna see nothing but my shoulders.
Hey, I didn't know if you like loved me or not.
My good brushes I use. I haven't used them in like a long time, but I'm gonna use them now. I'm not good with names, but this is called a 1 flat. I think it's like 1 inch. This is definitely not an inch. Never mind. This might be like 1 centimeter. Wait a minute. What goes into inches? I don't know, but I think this is definitely an inch. This is 4, flat 4. Maybe this is 1/4 of it. I don't know. Don't ask me for measurements. These are the ones I like. They're from Plaza Art. Oh. Look at this silhouette. I love it. I love it. Yeah, this is looking pretty good. I don't know if it's like proportionally correct, but we'll get to that eventually. I'm loving how this brown looks low key. And you got the little eyes, just like, oh. Her nose is kind of fun to mold. It's like kind of pointy, but not too pointy. This is pretty good. I think I can actually start putting in some color now. I'll worry about like the actual background like later. So right now I'm switching to my number 4 flat brush. Yeah, so that should be cool. Alright, so I'm going into this and honestly I have no idea what this is going to turn out as. All I know is I'm kind of going back to that other idea where I put my darker colors on first and then work my way backwards. But I also forgot the paint I was using is my cheaper paint, so it goes on pretty like loosely, like watery. So I had to do a bunch of layers, so I was like, you know what, why not just really take my time with these layers? So I have like 1,000 different skin layers that I didn't even realize like naturally gave off that like 17th century kind of like painting vibes here. So I was like, huh, this is very not Renaissance, but I'm not an art history person like that. The only like art history buff I'm on is my girl Frida Kahlo. That's about it. But every other artist I'm still trying to work and like teach myself. I mean, you know, Titus Kaphar, Gende Wiley, you know, but like it's kind of hard doing that artist research. Yeah, besides the fact that I'm really going crazy realistic with this painting, I remember like Phantom of the Opera when I was little, like, cause me and my grandmother watched so many operas together, and my great aunt, and I just specifically remember Phantom of the Opera, and I'm feeling so bad for the Phantom. I think his name was Eric, low-key. I can't remember. It's been like a long time ago, but I felt so bad for him. I'm just like, oh, poor thing. Like, you know, it's just like people were afraid of him because he had some deformities and he was just so in love. I'm like, give it that he did go about this a little aggressive, but he was helping the girl. What was her name? Christina or something? I can't remember. Like I said, I'm probably butchering these names, but the plot twist of it is basically like they're like Christina is like the really good singer, and she's like like a high-pitched singer or whatever. And the Phantom of the Opera haunts this literal opera space, and he lives like in the bowels, deep bottom of it, like basement area of it. And basically, he's like, I forgot the plot why he's haunting it. I think it has something to do with like his growing up, like, cause some, like, I don't know if it was like some people raised them to like use him for the opera or something like that, but either way, he's just bitter. So he's a Phantom of the Opera, so he kind of already haunted the place. You know, they know of him. They're like, oh my gosh. And so Christina's kind of like new to it. She's kind of like, huh, never been to this place before. I'ma sing, you know. And there's like a lot of competition of the place. And so, you know, she's really humble, really sweet. So the Phantom just starts knocking them down, starts scaring them down, you know. So I'm like, he's helping her. And he's giving her tips along the way. Like, literally, every time they meet up, like, he gives a little tip, and he's kind of like, you should sing from your heart, or, you know, whatever the case may be, you know. He's a really good teacher when it comes to music. Wow. But here's the thing, though. She already has someone she's in love with, which was, I can't think of his name. Oh, God. I can't think of his name because I didn't like him. I don't know. I tend to go the opposite ways of how movies should be. He was so aggressive towards the Phantom. The story reminds me of like Beauty and the Beast, where like the Beast was just like, he wasn't shown the correct love, and he just needed some time to like feel good, you know. I mean, although the kidnap part of the Phantom of the Opera, that's wild, and the whole Beauty and the Beast section, that is wild. We don't condone kidnapping here. Besides that part, if there was no kidnapping, I'm even like, oh, that's so cute. But no, they automatically hate the Phantom of the Opera, automatically hated the Beast, until this really big handsome guy comes in and it's just like, you should be with me, and I'm just like, no, like, you're not interesting, you know. But I don't know, that was my take on it. Surprisingly, I got this painting done real quick. Literally, so the video I posted the other day, last Wednesday, I literally finished that painting that day and recorded that day. So this day, I'm literally finishing the painting this day and recording it this day. So, I mean, I really am on crunch time. Like, I'm trying to like boopity boop boop boop, you know? I be trying. But I really had really fun with this piece. I'm definitely going to be watching Phantom of the Opera tonight again. I'm going to make my husband watch it. If you're watching this, you're watching that with me. Okay, so I am back. The final ending, you guys. I like this a lot. Surprisingly, I've never done a Phantom of the Opera piece, and I really do love opera. Wow! I kind of love this, and I'm not gonna lie. I may just put it on a shirt. I don't know. There's something about like the design aspect of it. Just put it a little bit closer. Y'all can see. I got you guys. Y'all didn't think I was gonna give another video this week, and I surprised you. And then also we have another video coming out. I'm not gonna tell you what that's based off of, but let's just say it's resolving the whole Heart 28 Days of February countdown thing. We'll come to that eventually. But I thank you guys as always. Please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, all that good stuff. Give me some more recommendations. Like I said, next month is a free month. If there's any type of like theme, movie, I'm a movie person. You'd be surprised how many different genre of movies I like. Like, it's just kind of all over the place. If you think of like any darker kind of movies or shows that you think that you know I should do, leave it up in the comments and I'm gonna look at it and I'm gonna figure out if I want to do it or not, because I really love you guys' advice and I really appreciate y'all for just hanging on and giving me that support. And don't forget, nothing can harm you. Where are my cookies?
Finally! I've been trying to catch you boys all day! Now that I've got you right where I want you!
Like and subscribe.